Hello everyone. Today we're checking out the DKHC 2-port HDMI KVM switch. If you're juggling two computers with only one monitor, keyboard, and mouse, this little gadget might just be a game changer. The main purpose of this KVM switch is to allow seamless control of two computers using a single set of peripherals. It supports both extended and copy modes, which is great for multitasking or mirroring content. Switching between computers is a breeze, thanks to both a panel button and hotkey functionality. A quick press or a keyboard shortcut, and you're on the other system in just a couple of seconds. Video quality is crucial, and this switch doesn't disappoint. It supports up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, ensuring a smooth and detailed visual experience. The high refresh rate makes a noticeable difference, especially when watching videos or playing games. It's also backward compatible, so older devices will work without issue. The DKHC KVM switch also features automatic EDID adaptation, which ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices. It supports HDMI 2.0 and HDCP 2.2, and it's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and various devices like DVD players, game consoles, and set-top boxes. To ensure stable performance, especially with power-hungry devices, the switch includes a separate micro USB power supply. This is a welcome addition, as some KVM switches can struggle without additional power. In the box, you get the KVM switch, 2 HDMI cables, 2 USB cables, and a micro USB cable. It's pretty much everything you need to get started right away. Overall, the DKHC 2-port HDMI KVM switch is a solid choice for anyone looking to simplify their multi-computer setup. The 4K at 60 Hz support, hotkey switching, and broad compatibility make it a versatile and efficient tool.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.